Indian economic updates. The centre plans to increase the budget for the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana by 10% for the next fiscal, focusing on rural development due to its economic multiplier effects. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana received 16,100 crore rupees this fiscal, up from 14,800 crore rupees in FY24. The fourth phase, announced in July, aims to build 62,500 kilometers of rural roads over 5 years, connecting 25,000 habitations, with a 70,125 crore rupees package approved in September. Since its 2000 launch, 769,284 kilometers of rural roads have been built, improving connectivity, boosting non-farm employment by 13%, and reducing home deliveries by 30%. Goa has completed 100%, while Ladakh and others lag at 60-72%. The number of unincorporated enterprises in India rose 12.7% year-on-year to 73.4 million between October 2023 and September 2024, compared to 65.1 million in the prior year, according to a government survey. Women-owned proprietary establishments increased to 26.2% from 22.95%. Employment across manufacturing, trade, and services grew by 10% to 120.6 million, with services seeing the highest rise at 17.9%. The sector contributed 18 lakh rupees crore to gross value added (GVA), a 16.5% increase, with rural areas outperforming urban regions. GVA per establishment fell 6.7% in manufacturing but grew 11.6% in trade and 1.8% in services. Chief Economic Advisor V. Ananta Nageshwaran credited policy initiatives for the sector's growth. Funding for India's electric vehicle sector nearly halved from $808 million in 2023 to $586 million in 2024, despite a stable number of deals. The decline is attributed to policy changes, reduced subsidies, and a push for better unit economics. The new PME Drive scheme, replacing FAME2, offers lower subsidies, particularly affecting electric two-wheelers and excluding four-wheelers. Ather Energy's $71 million funding round led by NIIF was notable, boosting it to unicorn status. EV sales grew by 24.5% in 2024, slower than the previous year's 50% growth. Despite challenges, optimism persists, driven by the government's 2030 EV penetration targets and growth in subsegments like battery swapping, which saw significant investment. Indian Railways plans to conduct trial runs of short-distance Vande Metro trains starting July, aiming to serve 124 cities with distances of 100 to 150 kilometers, facilitating urban and satellite city connectivity on existing tracks. These trains, featuring 12 coaches and spacious automatic doors, will cater to unreserved passengers for daily commuting. Routes like Lucknow-Kanpur, Agra-Mathura, and Tirupati-Chennai are identified. The railways may expand the number of coaches based on demand. Additionally, trials for long-distance Vande sleeper trains are slated for early next month. Furthermore, Indian Railways targets operating 50 Pushpul Amrit Bharat trains this fiscal, with plans for a redesigned version by 2026.